How to reset Bereal streak after app crashes. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to reset Bereal streak after app crashes. Now, based on the Bereal's official help documentation, there is no automatic way to recover the broken streak. So what you want to do is, first thing first, open the Bereal app, and after which what you want to do is you could force quit and relaunch. That means close the background running app on your device, and you could also go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go to the app section, locate Bereal from the list, and you want to go to storage and cache, and make sure to clear your cache as well. And that is how you're going to reset as well. Now, other than that, you could also verify if the Bereal was actually posted in your memories. If the photo exists, then you could find it in the memories section, but the streak claim is gone. A relaunch might fix it as well. If that is not going to help you out or is not helping you out, you could also try clean your cache. Go to settings on your device and locate apps from the list. As you do it, so you want to select see all apps and go to Bereal from the list, and that's how you're going to reset Bereal streak after app crashes. And that's how you're going to fix. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.